Hey guys, I just decided that I'm going to show you this video. I already started chopping things up. Now I'm going to blend aloe vera. I'm going to blend cucumber, half a cucumber basically. And as you can see, that's ginger and garlic. And then I put some water because I don't have enough. Now, I noticed I've been taking aloe vera. Oh, the light is horrible. I've been taking aloe vera for the last 3 days. And I'm telling you, if you have constipation, this will flush it out. I was waking up. I've been having problems pooping every day. Yeah, the long call one. So when you take aloe vera, it really makes you go to the loo. It flushes things out. Even I think I saw a little worm come out because there when you poop and then you find and it's coming out nice and soft. You feel a little discomfort on your stomach, but it's really cleansing. Aloe vera is very cleansing. If you have funny issues of stomach upset, you have eczema, you have what, you take aloe vera. Either dry it up, powder it up, or whatever you want. But since I get these aloe veras for free in just a nearby area I live, I just go pick. I ask them, can I pick your aloe vera? They're like, sure. They have so much aloe vera, so I just pick, come blend, drink. It's slightly on the bitter side, but like now this one doesn't have any fruit since I have no fruits to blend it with. So yes, so I blend and then do a test. I see if it's too bitter, but yes, sometimes you just need bitter things in your life. Okay, now that's how it looks. It almost looks like it's smoothie consistency. So I'll just sieve it. You take the juice. Yes, the lighting there is disgusting, but yeah. Okay, that is the juice. I forgot it has also lime, 2 limes. Squeeze 2 limes. So that's the way it looks. So that is clean. If it's not, it has aloe vera. Also the viruses. This is going to pour. 1 sec. Okay. So it has only those ingredients. It has the aloe vera, it has the cucumber, it has the lime, it has the ginger, and it has the garlic, and some water, of course, to get it to blend. If you're juicing it with a juicer, you don't need to add more water, but yeah, I do not have that. So, haha. Okay. So let us see. Oh, people, it is a bitter, very bitter. Oh. The ginger kind of helps it out a bit. But I'm not lying, this is bloody bitter. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe for more recipes. Bye.